AIRO stock analysis next week and onward. I'm giving you my price predictions as well, you know, breaking down my exact plan and whatnot. With AIRO Group Holdings, well, I'm looking to double down on this quite hard. Not saying this in a way where I'm just going to immediately, you know, double down buy, but having done well over 42,000 videos myself, I've seen what's making me money and what is not, especially now. Look, all I really care about is just this quick little double break. And AIRO, I have, you know, previous receipts here with like one result. And yeah, man, like, just gonna put this here. I know there's like not enough data, but still gonna stick to something that's shown to work for me. You don't have really don't have that much candles, but that's fine. It doesn't change the fact. So if you do want to learn how making 5-10K per month trading, you should just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. But other than that, this is all pure noise. So see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.